Don't trip, Danny. Every drop's gonna be a buck on the ground. Let's make sure they get like dollar bills. Ready? First coat going on. Ready?
Well, would you look at that? Green. This is looking awesome. So, pretty much everything is done, painting-wise, for jams and areas that we want to be able to bolt on and not really have to take off again. So we've got the underside of this hood is painted, and this is cool because this is the biggest panel that we've got that has that much green on it. We are getting really close to bolt things on and being able to get this car together so it can get out of the shop because we got to leave here soon. We also got our doors on yesterday. Our gaps are looking pretty good. Body lines, gaps. We got our jams painted and cleared. Things are looking really nice. It's actually kind of cool. When you put this down, you can almost see what it would look like with a window on there, like a dark tinted window. Oof, oof. Can't wait. We just hung fenders yesterday, nothing too crazy. You can see our gaps aren't perfect there. Mainly got them out of the way so we can do painting. But you can see I have a little paint left, and that stuff is expensive. It's like $200 for a sprayable quart. My goodness. But we've got a couple other pieces that we're gonna paint with that before it goes bad in a few days. And there's a few other pieces here I think we're going to try and scuff and paint, like sport mirrors and such, and we're getting there. Another cool thing we were doing, there we go, we're getting these to line up a lot better. These are fender extensions, and from the factory they weren't perfect. They were just kind of a quick bolt-on thing, and we're getting them so they line up really nice. I'll show some pictures, show you what I mean about that. But anyway, making a ton of progress. We've really taken full advantage of this shop while we've had it, so we're grateful that we've had it. I gotta say though, this video looks a lot lighter green than this is in person. Let's see, yeah, because that almost looks more like a minty, almost more blue, and in real life it's definitely a lot more green. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, it's kind of looking the same way. It's kind of one of those things that it changes in the different lights. As you can see, it is beautiful though, and man, what a sweet look this thing is getting. All right, well, we're gonna be probably getting the hood on just so we can get it out of our way, and painting some more pieces. I'll probably have some footage of that for the next episode. Thanks for hanging out, and man, talk about a long ways this thing has come in 6 months. So yep, we're actually today is 6 months exactly. So we'll put this thing out, and maybe I'll do a quick little flashback and let you know how far we've come. All right, catch you later.